Keep doing good things and be kind. Ito ang mensahe ni Miss Grand International 2025 Emma Tiglao as she holds a meet and greet with fans sa San Francisco. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni U.S. correspondent Henny Espinosa.
The one, the only Miss Grand International 2025, Miss Emma Mary Tiglao from the Philippines.
Isang maagang pamasko para sa maraming Filipino-Americans sa Bay Area ang personal na makilala at makasama si Miss Grand International 2025, si Emma Mary Tiglao, sa ginanap na meet and greet sa Seafood City sa South San Francisco nitong linggo ng hapon. Ang 31-year-old beauty queen ay magpapasko dito sa Bay Area, ang kanyang unang pagbisita upang personal na pasalamatan ang mga Filipino-American supporters na naging mahalagang bahagi sa kanyang tagumpay. Masaya din siyang makasama ang kanyang kapatid na nag-migrate na dito.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. With all your support, with all your prayers, we got another victory. We got a back-to-back victory for Miss Grand International. All your sacrifices, remember that all your stories, the journey that you've been through, lahat po yan nagmamatter. And I am so proud of you, and alam niyo po kayo yung quiet heroes ng Philippines.
Ayon kay Emma, nakaka-relate siya sa maraming Filipino-Americans dahil naging OFW din siya.
I work as an OFW in Cambodia. I've been there for like almost 2 years, so I know gaano po kahirap magtrabaho sa ibang bansa na malayo sa pamilya. Lalo na po ngayon, because we know iba po ang Pasko sa Pinas.
Sa entablado, buong pagmamalaking ipinakita ni Emma ang kanyang signature walk at intro.
Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand International!
Hindi rin nagpahuli ang mga batang Filipino-Americans na inspiradong sumunod sa yapak ng beauty queen.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Little Grand International.
Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand Philippines!
Naglaan din si Emma ng oras upang personal na makilala ang kanyang mga supporters, nakipagkwentuhan at nagpa-picture sa komunidad.
We organize this event to give back to the community, especially to the Filipino community who supported our queen, Miss Grand International, Miss Emma Tiglao. Of course, being Kapampangan, she's also hails from Pampanga. We want to support her 100%.
Ayon naman kay Stacy Flores, isang local beauty queen na nangangarap ding sumali sa Miss Grand International, malaking inspirasyong hatid ni Emma, lalo na sa paraan ng kanyang paninindigan at advokasya.
I love how energetic she is. I love how truthful she is. And I just love her platform, her advocacy, and the way she eloquently say herself and communicate to others.
Para kay Emma, handa na siyang gampanan ang mga tungkulin at responsibilidad na kaakibat ng kanyang titulo.
I am really excited and ready for all the duties and responsibilities as your Miss Grand International. Of course, we will not forget our advocacy. It's promoting peace, not just in the Philippines, but all around the world.
Ngayong Kapaskuhan, may mensahe rin siyang nais ipaabot sa lahat.
And my wish for Christmas is that I hope that us Filipinos, well, not just Filipinos, the people all around the world will just keep supporting each other, and I hope that we will keep on doing good things so that we will not dwell on the bad things that is happening around us. So just keep doing good things and just be kind.
This one, it's like a story of hope and inspiration for all of us.
Ang pagbisita ni Emma ay isang taus-pusong pagbabalik loob bilang pagpupugay sa komunidad ng Filipino-American na nagbigay ng suporta sa kanya sa pandaigdigang entablado. Para sa agenda, Henny Espinosa, Billionaire News Channel, South San Francisco, California.